Assalamu alaikum, class 5. Today we are having again the previous chapter number 8, decimals. In case of decimals, we are doing the topic converting measurements. Before starting questions, I will tell you about the measurements, about length, mass and volume. That how we will convert length, mass and volume. Okay, first of all we will see in case of length we are having meters, centimeters and kilometers. Okay, whenever we will convert meters to centimeters, we will multiply the given number by 100. Okay, and whenever we convert the number from centimeter to meter, we will divide the number by 100. Okay, but in the case when we are having the number having the unit kilometer and the number is being converted from kilometer to meter, we will multiply that number by 1000 because kilo mean 1000. And whenever the number is having meter and being converted to kilometer, we will divide that number with 1000. Okay, according to the length, we will solve the question number 1. Like if we are having 559 centimeter and want to convert this number from centimeter to meter, means we will see this scheme as well. In this scheme, when centimeter is converted to meter, we will divide the number by 100. Okay, and the decimal point will move 2 times towards left. Okay, and we will get the answer 5.59 meters because we have divided the number by 100. Okay, and we have moved the decimal point 2 times from right to left. Okay, where the arrow is going. Clear? Now see the B part. In B part we are having 3016 meters being converted from meter to kilometer. Can you see? From meter to kilometer, and it is being divided by again 1000. Can you see? Now 3016 divided by 1000. Can you see the direction of the arrow from meter to kilometer? That's why we will move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 3 times towards 1, 2, 3 towards left, and we'll get the answer 3.016 kilometers. Now in case of mass, can you see when we are going from kilogram to grams, you will see the direction of arrow as well. From kilograms to grams, we will multiply by 1000. Okay, we will go from grams to kilogram, we will divide the number by 1000. Okay, it is the case of mass. Okay, converting measurement, the case of mass. Now we will see question number 2, A and B part according to the mass. The question number 2, A part is 6,975 grams, which is being converted from grams to kilograms. C, from grams to kilograms. Can you see? We will go from again right to left. You can see the direction of the arrow. You will divide this number by 6,975 divided by 1000. Okay, because we are going from grams to kilograms. Now 1, 2, 3, we are having 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 6.975 kilograms, because the number is being converted from grams to kilograms. But in B part, we will go from 2.685 kilograms to grams. Can you see the direction of arrow from left to right and being multiplied by 1000? Can you see from kilogram to gram multiply by 1000? We will multiply the given number by 1000 and we'll move the decimal point from left to right. Can you see the direction of arrow? From left to right 3 times. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And you will get the answer 2685 grams. Now the third one case, the case volume. In converting measurements, the third one case is volume. From when we convert liters to, in case of volumes, we will have liters and milliliters. Okay, when we convert liters to milliliters, we will multiply the number by 1000, and when we will convert from milliliters to liters, we will divide by 1000. Okay, now come to the question. Question number 3, A part, 0.95 liters, which is being converted into milliliters. Can you see the direction of arrow? We will multiply 0.95 by 1000. Okay, for this thing we should move the decimal point 3 times. C, 1, 2, but we are not having one digit, we are having less digit. Then we will add one digit to move the decimal point. 1, 2 and 3. Then after multiplication, we will have the answer 950 milliliters. Okay. Now the B part question, 1200 milliliters, which is being converted to liters. Can you see the direction of arrow from right to left? Means we have to divide the number by 1000. 1200 divided by 1000. We will move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we will have the answer 1.2 liters. Okay. These all were about the converting measurements, which were length, mass and volume. I think you are very much clear about it, and you should keep these 4 schemes in your mind to make the question more easier and clearer. Okay, then inshallah next time we will meet with a new topic. Allah Hafiz.